So within the corridor, I'm not going to thin out any of the data, but beyond the corridor, I'm going to thin out every 9th point, skip every 9th point. So I'm going to bring in 1 and 10. So as you can see, around that corridor feature, we're going to skip no points, so it'll be at full resolution. And outside of that 100-meter interval, I'm going to skip every 9th point. Press OK. Continue. This will take about a minute or so to happen. It's not that big of a file. It's only got, like I said, about 3 million points. I'm going to be bringing in a fraction of that. So there's the alignment with the points underneath. And you can see that they're denser around that alignment. And then outside of that corridor, they're a little bit, they're less, lower resolution. Next step is to calculate my tin. Minor contours, major contours. Change this feature so that it's just a modeled feature. And then recalculate my tin. Like I said before, if it's a meandering feature like this, you don't want to include all triangles because you'll get long triangles across these void areas where there's no data. I'm going to open up the final file, the end result. So this is what it looks like after you've calculated your contours. Let's just open it up. So this is the high resolution data set. I'm going to quickly go over to the location design module and design on my low resolution file and then swap it for the higher resolution file. Close this and go into my location design module, module 2 location design. This is our road design module. File, New. Go to the location where I've saved those files. There's my low resolution file. Open that up. Start at the beginning of that alignment. Terrain, current feature, current point. Get a set of templates that are appropriate for a change my template. Actually, I'm going to open up a different set. Change that asphalt width to around 5 meters. Shoulder width to about 2 meters. Asphalt thickness to about 0.25 of a meter. We also have templates that are in imperial units, so if you are working in imperial units, we can those are available for you. Half a foot thick of, I'm going to make the crush layer 0 actually. Make the base layer about half a foot or half a meter. Actually make it a little bit more, maybe a meter. And then what I do is I delete my right side and copy and paste my left side to my right side. There's my completed template. Press OK. Yes. Get a screen layout that will set up my screen for horizontal alignment. I'm going to try to follow this alignment as closely as possible and put in my curves. Right click, add an IP tool. I'm going to bang in quickly a alignment. I'm not going to go through any kind of rocket science here to do this for you. Just want to show you really quickly how to do a quick alignment. Left click twice to add in your IPs. And then put in your horizontal curves jump using these buttons here. Circular curve. I think I'll put 80 kilometers per hour. I'm going to get a different set of super elevation tables. apply. Set as my default curve, jump, get my default curve, apply. And then it's this responsive. You can move back and forth quite easily. I want to move away from that alignment. Try to realign my curve to where I want it. Now the final step is to swap your low resolution low resolution file for your higher resolution file. You do that under Module, Setup, Alignment, Terrains. Instead of using the low resolution file for my topo surface, I'm going to browse for my higher resolution file. So I've swapped my low resolution file for my higher resolution file. I'm not going to go through vertical alignment. I think you guys get the idea. I just want to show you really quickly how to bang in a really quick alignment. I think I'll just leave it at that. If anybody has any other questions, they can always call me personally or email me.